Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah. This is Hannah in Her Habitat. Today I am switching out my summer and winter clothes so that I can easily access the ones that I need. I keep clothes that I'm not wearing under my bed and it's really hard to get in and out of, so I'm going to go ahead and do that swap. So I will show you that process. This is where I keep my hanging clothes, but they stay put year round because it's kind of layering items. I had to add this storage bin under here for more clothes. That's where my summer clothes currently are. This is just a laptop standing table that you can put and then raise it up. I store all kinds of things in the nooks and crannies of this place. Now we have to get the winter clothes out from under my bed. It's a little bit more of a task. That's why I want to switch them out, because it's not something I want to do every day. It's a little heavy. Gonna swap them out. I don't have many seasonal items, as you will see, because it's not as functional if you can only wear it one season. Squeeze as much as I could in there. See if the lid goes on. Just barely. There we have it. Thanks for watching another episode of Hannah in Her Habitat. I'll see you next week.